Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to dislike liked reels on Instagram. So I already like these reels and I want to dislike. It's very easy, just tap on this love button. Now here we go, you dislike it reel. But if you want to dislike reels that you forgot to dislike, you can do it by go to your profile and go to the settings and activity. You can choose a activity. Here you can tap on your activity and tap on likes and choose filter by content. Apply, and this is the reels that you like, and you can dislike the reel here, for example, and you can tap, and now your disliked reels is a no, your liked reels now is disliked. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and the button below. See you in the next video.